Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into Wish with Google. To log into your Wish account with Google account, the first thing to do is to make sure you open the Wish application on your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and log into your Wish account on a web browser. Once you open up the Wish application or go to the Wish platform, from the main homepage, tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Once you open the Wish account, you will come across the sign-in page. Go ahead and tap on the Continue with Google option in order to log into Wish with Google account. Make sure you have a Google account, and if you don't have a Google account, you have an option to create one. Tap on the Create Account button from the sign-in page of Google and then follow through the instructions to create a Google account. Once you have a Google account, you can access to it by entering your email or phone number associated with your Google. Type in email or phone number in the text box appearing in the page. Once you type in your credential, click on Next and then enter your password for your Google account. Once you are done, click on Next at the bottom right once again. And soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Wish account with Google. All you need is your Google account's credentials and you will be good to go. That's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.